So, the volume. To find the volume of the mailbox, we use the following formulas that matched our shape. The formula for a rectangle is length times width times height. We use the measurements we had of L, which was equal to 3, W, which was equal to 5, and H, which was equal to 20. Then we multiplied all the numbers and got 300 centimeters. The formula for a cylinder is pi times r squared times height. Our measurements were height equals 20 and radius equals 2.5. Then, we multiplied everything and divided the answer by 2 since, as we had said before, our mailbox shape requires only half the cylinder. We got 196.35 centimeters. Lastly, we added the two answers from each shape and got the volume of the mailbox, which is equal to 496.35 centimeters. We're going to be talking about how we solve the surface area and volume of a mailbox. To find the surface area of a mailbox, the first thing you need to do is find formulas that match your shape. In our case, our shapes were a rectangle and a cylinder. The formula of a rectangle is 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH divided. So, the formula for the cylinder would be 2 pi times r squared plus 2 pi times r times the height. From there, we plugged in the numbers according to the letter. For the rectangle in our shape, L equals 20 centimeters, W equals 5 centimeters, and H equals 3 centimeters. For the cylinder, R equals 2.5 and H equals 20. We plugged in our numbers according to the corresponding letters and solved the equations for both our figures. After we got the results, we divided the answer for the cylinder by 2 since the mailbox only has a shape of half a cylinder. And for the rectangle, we found the area of the top base by multiplying length times width. Then we subtracted the first answer by the area we found since the top base is not supposed to be included in finding the total surface area. Finally, we added the total two answers for each shape to get the surface area of the whole mailbox, which was 426.6 centimeters squared.